So today I wanted to point out a new feature that is now available to us through our Skype for Business instant messaging system, and that is the opportunity to actually do a video call. And so one of the things you'll notice is if you open a conversation with somebody, now let me pull this into view here. Now you actually have the opportunity to click on video call. Now I know Lisa's not here this week, so I'm not going to give her a call, but if I click on that, then it'll kind of take me through the process. I hit start my video, and then on the other end, Lisa is going to have a little message pop up just like she would for IM that she can accept. So it's very simple to do, but one of the problems we found is that the audio on our computers is not maybe set up correctly. So I'm going to show you quickly how you can set that up. Click right down here at the bottom. So I've got my Skype for Business open, and down here at the bottom I can select my primary device, and if yours isn't working already, you're going to click on the audio device settings, and there's two settings that we want to make sure are working. You can see my microphone is working already, but yours probably wouldn't. So I'm going to click right here, and the first thing is I only have one choice, but you're more than likely going to have a couple, and the key thing is you're going to look for this HP option. Also, I am going to turn on my microphone. When I click on my microphone, I have a couple of different options. I've seen as many as 3. The key thing is you're just going to click on internal microphone, and once you do that, click OK, and you are good to go. If you're calling somebody in district as well, then they need to go through the same process. Otherwise you might see each other but may not be able to hear each other. Now I'm going to take a pause to kind of get set up for the next feature I want to show you on how you can actually set up a meeting with somebody outside of the district. So this is the part that I'm really excited about, where I can actually create an appointment and send it to somebody who's outside the district, and then I can bring in that expert into my classroom. So the hardest part with this is probably going to be navigating to your calendar. Now for me, I use my calendar all the time, so I have a nice little link down here where I have my mail. I've opened up my email from my desktop, and I have it down here. For some of you, you may have a little link up here, or there may be 3 dots, so that's going to be the big thing is finding where your calendar is. Once you've done that, then it's pretty easy from there on out. I have new Skype meeting. I can double click on that, or I can double click on when I want it. So I want it right here on the 6th, and when I open this up and I hit Skype meeting, then it's going to add this little link here. And so at this point I can just email this to whoever I want to, inside district or not, or I can also, if I right click on here, I can copy the hyperlink and send them that. So I did a test and sent this via email to myself, and then I was able to use my cell phone on one end and my computer on the other end and have that conference call. So it's a cool feature. Hopefully you can find some use for it. If you decide you want to try it with somebody outside of the district, please let me know, and we'll make sure and get things set up. We can test it, and you can invite me in as well. But hopefully you'll find a use for this in your classroom. If you have any questions, please let me know.